Dear Dr. Urza, dear members of the USAC Board of Directors meeting 2014, may I give you a warm welcome on behalf of Professor Angelo Oreste Andrisano, Rector of the University of Modena and Reggio Emilia. Today we are celebrating not only your annual international meeting, but also the beginning of cooperation between your consortium and our university. Here in Reggio Emilia, we are particularly proud to become your third Italian hosting location after Torino and Viterbo. Since the main features of Reggio will be described later on, I would like to say a few words about the history of our university. The University of Modena dates back to 1175, a few decades after the birth of the University of Bologna, making it one of the oldest universities in Italy and indeed the world. In the 2 centuries that followed, the studium expanded from legal studies to include the training of notaries and the study of medicine as well. The subsequent history of the university was profoundly marked by the changing fortunes of the ruling Este family. Between the 16th and the 17th centuries, when the court of Este settled in Ferrara, academic titles were no longer awarded, and the activities of the studium were greatly reduced. Only after the court moved to Modena in 1772 did the university again its original splendor and academic prestige, receiving an imperial charter from Duke Francis II. In more recent times, the year 1998 was of fundamental importance in the history of the university when the Reggio Emilia site was first established and the University of Modena and Reggio Emilia was founded with the support of local institutions. However, it must be said that the city of Reggio Emilia did in fact have its own ancient and noble tradition of university studies, which ended in 1772 following the reform of Duke Francis II of Este, when its right to grant degrees was taken away and given solely to the University of Modena. The creation of the University of Modena and Reggio Emilia gave a new, powerful boost to the development of the university, resulting in a substantial growth of scientific and academic activities. Current departments in Reggio Emilia include engineering, communication and economics, education and humanities, as well as the surgical, medical, and dental department of morphological sciences related to transplant, oncology, and regenerative medicine. Unimore is committed to high-quality research. It's ranked among the top 8 comprehensive universities in Italy for its high level of research, according to the most recent assessment by the Italian Ministerial Committee for the Evaluation of Research. Reggio is an excellent place to study. Our students are the fastest at a national level in acquiring their undergraduate degree. Undoubtedly, the agreement we are going to sign will be the first step of a long and positive experience for all of us. We look forward to seeing USAC students next summer. Welcome to Reggio Emilia and welcome to Unimore. Thanks a lot.